Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question guys, okay? So this question belongs to GATE CSE 2004 question 13, okay? Yes. So let P be a singly linked list, okay? Let Q be a pointer to an intermediate node X, okay? In the list. So what is the worst case time complexity of the best known algorithm to delete the node X from the list? Okay, so here we are trying to delete a particular node where we know the location of that particular node. Okay, so now it looks really interesting, right? Okay, so let us start. So let us we are again searching for worst case, right? Yes. So let us assume that we want to delete the last node, guys. Simply, so whenever you are thinking of the worst case, always take the last node to delete, guys. Okay, so let us draw a list. Again, I am drawing for 5 only. Okay, yes. So now your pointer, you are having a X pointer, right? So okay, so Q is the pointer name and here it is having X, assume in that way. And here you are having a head pointer. Okay, yes. So now you want to delete this node. Okay, so before deleting the node, what you should do, guys? So before deleting this particular node, you need to substitute here the value null, right? So in this case, the value should be null if the case is different. So assume in that way. Okay, so if you are deleting a middle node, if you want to delete this node, what you will do, you should update this pointer to connect to this pointer, right? Yes. So indirectly, somehow you should access this pointer, right? So how can you access the previous node, guys, in linked list? It's a singly linked list. Remember, it's not doubly linked list to have previous pointer. We are not having previous pointer. Okay. Yes. Then how you are going to access it? So the single blind solution is go and search for this X, guys. Okay. And if you found the X in the next column, so basically you will be writing in this way. So wherever you are, PTR next data is equals to X. So at this point you will stop, guys. So where your PTR is having some next, so you will be getting the address of this value, right? Yes. So if that's data is equals to X, so at that time you will update your pointer. So PTR's next is equals to null. So in this way you will update, guys. But to update this, you should go until this pointer, right? So indirectly again you should do that comparison everywhere, right? So again this comparison is also big of n because it's also we are discussing about worst case, right? So now you got an idea, right? So basically why I am saying it is a worst case will be big O of n. Got it, right? Yes, I hope everyone understood, right? Because to delete this node, you should update the previous node's next value, right? Yes. So that is the reason why we need to search for it. To search for it, you should start from start. Search, reach, and update. So in that way, okay? Again, this will also be big O of 1. Got it? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us discuss with the next question. Okay? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.